Hello dear students, I hope you are okay. Our topic today is comparatives. I hope you enjoy it. When we are going to do comparisons, we use two nouns, check, like two people, two animals, two objects, or two places. And the basis in order to make comparisons is adjectives, okay? Remember that adjectives are used when we make descriptions or when we make comparisons. We have two kinds of adjectives. We have short adjectives. It means that they have just one syllable, like nice, one syllable. Remember that it's about pronunciation. One syllable, nice, soft, cheap, clean, small, big, one syllable. And we also have long adjectives. The long adjectives have two or more syllables in it. Beautiful, 3. Expensive, 3. Colorful, 3. Okay? You must have to take this into account. When we are going to do a comparison and we have a short adjective, what you have to do is to add, adicionar, er than. Example, nicer than, más agradable que, softer than, más suave que, cheaper than, más barato que, cleaner than, más limpio que, smaller than, más pequeño que, bigger than, más grande que, uglier than, más feo que, dirtier than, más sucio que. Example, we have two dresses, right? And our adjective is nice. So, how is the comparison? Check. The white dress, this dress, is nicer than the red one. So, el vestido blanco es más bonito, es más agradable que el vestido rojo. Another example. Soft. This is our adjective, soft. Soft is suave. Check the example. The white jumper, so this is the white jumper. The white jumper is softer than, is más suave que the black one. Okay? So can you see? You just use the verb to be here. This is the adjective, soft, suave. You add, le adicionan er, than, because that than is que, más suave que, más alto que, okay? The black one, and that's all. It's very easy. Third example, cheap is our adjective. Cheap means barato. So, how is the sentence? The red pants are cheaper, son más baratos than the blue ones. Be careful because here we have plural. So, pants, plural, is singular, right? Another example, big. This is our adjective, and we have this hat and this hat. Check the example. The yellow hat is bigger than the purple one. El sombrero amarillo es más grande que el púrpura morado. And finally, dirty. Dirty means sucio. Remember that when you have an adjective that ends in y, what you have to do is to change it. Change y for I, and you add er. So the blue sneakers, los tenis azules, are dirtier than, están más sucios, the pink ones que los rosados. Now we have long adjectives. These are beautiful, expensive, colorful, modern, comfortable, horrible, and formal. When you have long adjectives, what you have to do is to add, to locate, to put the word more before the adjective, and then you have first more, then the adjective, and then than. In this case, more beautiful than, more expensive than. Let's check the examples. Modern is our adjective, and the example is the brown skirt. This brown skirt is more modern than the gray one. Es más moderna que la gris. Second, formal. Our adjective is formal, as in Spanish. This is a transparent word, is formal. So the example is trousers. Trousers, these are trousers, pantalones, are more formal than jeans. Los pantalones son más formales que los jeans. Third adjective, colorful. Colorful, colorido. We are talking about the tie, la corbata. So the example is, this tie is more colorful than the other one. In this example, we have expensive. Expensive is costoso. So the example is, this jacket is more expensive than the other one. So, esta chaqueta es más costosa que la otra. And finally, we have this adjective, comfortable. Comfortable, 3 syllables. So, it means cómodo. And the example is sneakers, tennis. Sneakers are more comfortable than high-heeled shoes. Los tenis son más cómodos que los zapatos de tacón alto. Okay, guys, I hope you have enjoyed and I hope you have understood. Okay, don't forget to write to my email if you have any questions or any doubts. So that's all for today. Please be careful and thank you so much. Bye-bye.